So next we need to set up the file system so you can perform your calculations while your data are on the login node, but the calculations will be done on the computing nodes. And there's a common part of the file system and a separated one, right? And we must now link them. So to link them, let's see. Right? So we basically start make test for link. Okay, test for link. So let's say I have my work, my compute node work file system, right? So that is there. You don't have. Let's say you should be careful to manipulate things there directly, but you want to have a link of your home folder, right? So every user has its own folder. For me, this is Johan, so present working directory. If you cd with no argument after, you always go back to your home folder. So I go back to my C and work folder, my compute node. Sorry, test for link. Then, right. So now I want to make a link, a soft link, not a hard link, that connects my compute That's first system with my here come my data. Push ls, right? You see that the directory has a slightly different name than the link I just created. I can cd into the link, check where I am, make a file, vim new computation dot what is it? Anything basically, right? Many atoms. Check my tree. I'm currently in the here come my data. I cd out with cd dot dot. So I go back up one folder system, one folder structure, tree. Okay, so this is now interesting. So I was just now in here come my data. Okay, I created new computation, but now new computation is in your compute node work file system, right? And if you look carefully, the link points to the compute file system. So when I cd here come my data, ls, I see again, okay, my computations are here. But I never need to directly find the compute node file system. Okay, so this is how we're going to use the link command L and -s. So what you need to do, you change to a folder that you like. You can make, for example, AMD, AMD, sorry, AMD, and then you say link -s, and now here comes work and your username, link to compute node or whatever, or you just call it. I normally just call it work AMD, for example. Now I can go here, right? I know that to execute your computation, you need to go to this folder. And here you can now perform DFT calculations that are actually executed on the compute nodes. If you go here, right, if you go out and are now back into your folder that is not the link, then your calculations most likely will crash because the compute node has no access to this part. Okay? Then it tries to start the calculation, look for your new computation file, for example, but will not find it. Right? And if you can't find it, it will stop. So remember, calculations are being executed in whatever you call this link.